So today in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the difference between star schema and snowflake schema. So here what is the star schema? Star schema is the type of multi-dimensional model which is used for data warehouse. In star schema, the fact tables and the dimension tables are contained. In this schema, fewer foreign key join is used. This schema forms a star with fact table and dimension tables. So star schema is the type of multi-dimensional model which is used for data warehouse. In star schema, the fact tables and the dimension tables are contained. In this schema, fewer foreign keys join is used. This schema forms a star with fact table and dimension table. You can see here one fact table is there, and in all over this fact table there are some dimension tables, and it is creating one formation of star. Next is snowflake schema. Snowflake schema is also the type of multi-dimensional model, one to many, which is used for data warehouse. In snowflake schema, the fact tables, dimension tables, as well as sub-dimension tables, okay, these are contained. So snowflake schema is also the type of multi-dimensional model which is used for data warehouse. In snowflake schema, the fact tables, dimension tables, as well as sub-dimension tables are contained. This schema forms a snowflake with fact tables, dimension tables, as well as sub-dimension tables. Let's see the difference between star and snowflake schema. In star schema, the fact tables and dimension tables are contained, while in snowflake schema, the fact tables, dimension tables, as well as sub-dimension tables are contained. Star schema is a top-down model, while it is a bottom-up model. Star schema uses more space, while snowflake schema uses less space. Star schema takes less time for the execution of queries, and snowflake schema takes more time than star schema for the execution of queries. So in star schema, normalization is not used, while in this both normalization and denormalization are used. Its design is very simple, while design is complex. The query complexity of star schema is low, while the query complexity of snowflake schema is higher than star schema. Snowflake schema's understanding is very simple, while the star schemas, the left side is the star schema and right side is the snowflake schema. Let me explain again. So let's see the difference between star and snowflake schema. Star schema, in star schema, the fact tables and the dimension tables are contained. While in Snowflake schema, the fact tables, dimension tables as well as sub-dimension tables also contained. In star schema is a top-down model and Snowflake schema is the bottom-up model. Star schema uses more space while Snowflake schema uses less space. Star schema takes less time for the execution of queries and Snowflake schema takes more time than star schema for the execution of queries. In star schema, normalization is not used, while in Snowflake schema, both the normalization and denormalization are used. Star schema's design is very simple, while Snowflake schema's design is complex. The query complexity of star schema is low and the query complexity of Snowflake schema is higher than star schema. Star schema's understanding is very simple while Snowflake schema's understanding is very difficult. Star schema has less number of foreign keys while Snowflake schema has more number of foreign keys. Star schema has high data redundancy, means data duplicacy is there. It has high data redundancy. Okay, but in Snowflake schema it has low data redundancy. So we will discuss these things in the next class as well, but just for knowing that what is the star schema and Snowflake schema, I am making this video. And so we got to know that star schema and Snowflake schema. In case any questions you have, you can ask in the comment section. And next is the difference between star schema and fact constellation schema. So these are all the data warehouse concepts. So what is the star schema? Star schema is a multi-dimensional model type that uses simple queries in order to access data from the database. A star schema depicts each dimension with only one dimension tables. Star schema is easy to operate as compared to fact constellation schema as it has less number of joins but the tables. It uses less space as compared to fact constellation schema. Okay. What is fact constellation schema? This schema is the type of multi-dimensional model. In this dimension, tables are shared by many fact tables. The fact constellation schema consists of more than one star schema at a time. Unlike the star schema, it is not easy to operate as it has more joins between the tables. Unlike the star schema, fact constellation schema uses heavily complex queries to access data from a database. So here also you can see some difference also mentioned, like what is star schema and what is the fact constellation schema. So first point is a star schema depicts each dimension with only one dimension table, whereas dimension tables are shared by many fact tables. Each dimension with only one dimension table. Here dimension tables are shared by many fact tables. In star schema, tables can be maintained easily in comparison of fact constellation schema. While in fact constellation schema, tables cannot be maintained easily and comparatively. Star schema does not use normalization, whereas it is normalized form of star and snowflake schema. Star schema simple queries are used to access the data from a data warehouse. Fact constellation schema, whereas it is normalized form of star and snowflake schema. In star schema, simple queries are used to access the data from the database, while in this fact constellation schema, heavily complex queries are used to access data from the database. So these are all about the difference between star schema and fact constellation. For more learning, you can visit this website geeksforgeeks.org. Here you can learn some tutorials like data structure algorithm, Python, ML and data science, system design, interview corner, languages, web development, CS subjects, DevOps and Linux, school learning, GATE, Geeks for Geeks videos. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.